फ्रेंड्स वेलकम बैक। सो यहाँ पे एक इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑफिशियल सर्कुलर रिलीज़ हुआ है, उसी को डिस्कस करने की कोशिश करूँगा इस वीडियो के माध्यम से। सो वी विल ट्राई टू डू द थिंग्स इन अ वेरी क्विक मैनर। सो दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, सो दैट इज़ वाई वी हैव सेलेक्टेड दिस अपडेट। सो काइंडली मेक श्योर टू लाइक द वीडियो एंड यहाँ पे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना फ्रेंड्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायरीज फेडरेशन की अपडेट है 2 अक्टूबर 2024 का ऑफिशियल सर्कुलर है टू द ऑफिस बियरर्स, सेंट्रल कमेटी मेंबर्स, स्टेट कमेटी चीफ्स, AIPRF regarding the alternate proposal for super top up policy for retirees for 24-25. So we wish to invite your attention of AIBRF circular number 2014 by 147 dated 1st October 24 containing notice for office bearers meeting on 5th of October 24 scheduled to be held to discuss issues related to the renewal of group medical policy and in particular for launch of alternate super top up policy by AIBRF in view of steep rates quoted by NIC in IBA policy. As you are aware, in IBA policy rates for super top up policy for retirees have been fixed at above abnormally and unexpectedly high rates, and multiple choices are also not made available. So rates for super top up are as under. So for sum assured 4 lakh for retired is 48,499 including GST. For sum assured 5 lakh for retired officer it's 60,299. So this year we would achieve reduction of 47% in base policy of 3 lakh and 4 lakh due to IBA agreeing to AIBRF demands, that is pursued through CLC to issue combined policy for employees and retirees. So this is a great achievement for retirees, but as per the decision taken by the parties to the settlement, super top up policy was kept for from preview from purview of combining of combined policy and left it handling to the management of individual banks. However, control of fixed rates was kept with the IBA, and it was stipulated in the tender document that L1 for the base policy will only have authority to quote for super top up policy without going through L1 process for competitive rates to protect interest of retirees, and the rates quoted by L1 will be binding on all banks. सो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, बट प्रेजेंटली we do not have any forum available where AIBRF can immediately raise the issue for resolution. So IBA do not provide any personal audience to the representatives of the retirees on their grievances as per its existing policy. So unions also do not entertain our request to hold formal discussion for resolution of retirees grievances. सो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे ये दिक्कतें हैं. सो इन व्यू ऑफ above fact it has become very necessary for AIBRF in order to protect interest of retirees to identify some affordable super top up policy which is cheaper and meet requirements of the retirees and also synchronizes with terms and conditions of base policy where retirees can get claim from super top up policy in case of need, as we have provided super top up policy of SBI journal last year. So status of SBI journal offer that has been provided here. तो जो SBI जर्नल का ऑफर है वो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. Our experience in the area of super top up policy of SBI general policy has been by and large satisfactory. So they are ready to float super top up policy for retirees, but with increase in premium by about 25 to 30%. So in other words, premium of rupees 15,000 approx for rupees 5 lakh sum assured may go up to 19 to 20,000. So in addition to this, SBI General want minimum granted 80 to 84,000 policy. So this is not possible for AIBRF to commit. So we have since received one more proposal for super top up policy from insurance company named Go Digit in General Insurance Company Limited. It may be mentioned that in this year tender process carried by Indian Bank Association, this company participated in tender, has had become technically qualified, meeting all important norms like capital adequacy to entertain large businesses, net worth criteria, track records, and the settlement of claim. However, it could not qualify in commercial bids, so it amounts to due diligence of company profile. So, friends, these are the some of the important updates that we want to here discuss. So you can see the proposal of Go Digit इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. सो वो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं फ्रेंड्स. यहाँ पे एक इंश्योरेंस का चार्ट है दैट आई वांट टू डिस्कस. सो दिस इज द इंश्योरेंस चार्ट हियर. प्रीमियम एक्सक्लूडिंग जीएसटी, प्रीमियम इंक्लूडिंग जीएसटी. सम assured you can see 1 lakh, self only 2430, up to 10 lakh its premium is 64,000. Self plus post is 91,160 for 10 lakh. So friends, you can see the chart. So this is a really very important case friends, very important circular. So आपको यहाँ पे काफ़ी चीज़ें क्लियर करेगा. So please make sure to share this important circular and most importantly friends, यहाँ पे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लेना. और अगर आप वित्तीय सहायता हमारी कर सकते हैं तो दैट आल्सो यू कैन डू बाय क्लिकिंग द ज्वाइन बटन. सो स्टेटस ऑफ एसबीआई जर्नल ऑफर काफ़ी सही लगा मुझे. एसबीआई जर्नल भी एक हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. उसके जो प्रीमियम्स हैं तो यहाँ पे हम किसी को भी प्रमोट नहीं कर रहे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी क्लियर दैट वो सिर्फ एक सर्कुलर में प्रॉपरली इन्होंने मेंशन करा हुआ है. सो वी हैव टू यूर बाउंड टू रीड दैट प्रॉपरली. सो डिटेल्स ऑफ प्रपोजल एज ए सीट फ्रॉम कंपनी KMW, यू कैन सी दैट आल्सो. रिन्यूअल का जो है पॉलिसी टाइप क्या है, सुपर टॉप अप. सो अभी जो मेन इशू है दैट इज़ रिलेटेड टू द सुपर टॉप अप. सो टॉप अप पॉलिसी के रिगार्डिंग है. जो बेस पॉलिसी के प्रीमियम्स हैं वो सही है, ऑलमोस्ट ओके हैं, अभी एट पार है. जो अल्टरनेट प्रपोजल है फॉर द सुपर टॉप अप, उसके लिए यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ वर्किंग्स चल रही हैं बाय द यूनियंस. सो उनको सल्यूट है, दे आर वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड एंड आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ द unions only we are achieving so much. So that's all for this session. Please take care all. Please subscribe to the channel if possible and support us. That's all. Thank you.